Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your DJI ROMO vacuum. So as you can see, I have everything unboxed already and we're gonna set it up. So let's begin. So at first you'll need to remove all the tapes and foils and the foams. There are two foams. One of them is in the charging base, so it's right here. I'm gonna untape it and take it out, as you can see right here. Then the next one can be found on the robot. This yellow one, it's for the bumper for transport. You need to take it out so the robot works properly. Now all you need to do is plug in the base to the power. So on the back there is a slot for the power cord, and there is a power cord included in the box of the robot. So I'm going to plug it in on the back. It's somewhere here, yes. Okay, I'm gonna find the slot. Great. And I'm gonna plug it into power. Okay. I have too short of a cable, so I may need to get back to you soon. Okay, now I can plug it in. So let's plug it in here. Okay, we can hear the base did something. Now you should attach this base plate right here. I'm gonna just get some foam got in there. I don't really want it there. Just place it like that. You can see it goes on really easily and lays flat. It is worth you actually should do it like that. That you place your charging base in a way that on both sides has at least 5 centimeters or 2 inches of free space. So on the sides here you need to have at least 5 centimeters, so it cannot be placed against the wall. It has to have at least 5 centimeters. And also in front of the device there has to be at least 1 meter, which is, I believe, around like 40 inches. Yeah, it's about 40 inches, so I think it's like 3 feet or something. I'm not sure. Yeah, so now we'll need to install the cleaning solution. There is a cleaning solution in the box. This is the cleaning solution. I'm not gonna install it now, but you should install it. And in order to do it, simply unscrew this part. You actually don't need to unscrew it, I believe. Yeah, I think so. Gonna check it. Here's this like sticker. I don't really remember how it was inserted. I think just like that. And make sure. No, you should detach the sticker. Yeah, you should detach the sticker that is there at the top. This one. Then slide it in. And if you have the ROMO P model, then you can also use the floor deodorizer, but it's only supported on the ROMO P and should not be attached for other models. I believe I have the ROMO S. Yeah, I have the ROMO S, so I cannot put it in, but yeah, here's the cleaning solution and the floor deodorizer in here in the second slot, but only for the ROMO P. Now let's close it. As I And let's get to the next part. So we should power on the robot. I'm gonna place the station here and power on the robot. So I think I'm gonna put it on the side so there's actually some space in front of the base so it doesn't fall off the table, you know. We wouldn't really want that. Okay, I think it's gonna be fine. Now let's power on the robot. To press and hold. Power it on. And then press on the home button once, I believe, so it can return to its base station.
Robot has returned to base station.
It hasn't. I don't really think it has. Okay, yeah, never mind. Let's slide it in manually and it's just gonna learn the position and everything. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, it's slid in. So now it is charging. I'm gonna see. Yeah, the light is lighting up. So it is working. And now the last thing is to get the clean water tank, open it like that and fill it. In order to fill it, you need to open it using this latch. Fill it with clean water. I'm not gonna do it now. And then put it back in. And that's gonna make everything work. Just water, not any cleaning solutions. You have this cleaning solution, and that's the only cleaning solution that you should use. Now let's connect the robot with the application which is required. So go to your phone. It can be in an iPhone, can be whatever, and search for DJI Home. Once you find DJI Home, click on Get or Download. Confirm it, and let's get that installed. So as you can see, the app is currently being installed, and we can open it. Now agree, enter our email or phone number, gmail.com, accept the privacy policy and click on next. Now, I think I already have an account, so I'm gonna enter the password. Let's see if that one is correct. I'll try a different one. Okay, it's all done. Now I've entered the password and we can see there is our add device button. So let's click on add device. I'm gonna go to the settings. It's gonna make me allow a few things. Let's allow all of these so it all works. Okay, it has already discovered my robot. So let's click on pair.
Press button on top of base station.
Okay, let's press the button that is located on the top. Bluetooth pairing, it was successful. So now tap on next. Now we'll need to connect to Wi-Fi and enter its password so the robot knows what the password is, so the robot can connect. Let's select the network. I'm gonna select the 2.4 gigahertz network because for home appliances, networks with 2.4 gigahertz just work better. Of course, you can do it with a 5 gigahertz network on this device because it does support it, but it's for home appliances 2.4 is just enough. So I'm gonna type in the password, go to next, and let's see if it connects and everything. As you can see, it is getting connected. It's connected to Wi-Fi, not yet to the internet. Now we can click on next, rename our device if we want. I'm just gonna click on done. And now we should have everything done correctly. Yeah, I'm gonna close the user feedback, but feel free to fill it and now there's an update. I'm gonna ignore it for now, but I highly recommend updating. Now next, and you can start mapping. I also I'm gonna start it and stop it.
Start mapping.
So yeah, like it starts, it's gonna map your flat, your home. Cancel
mapping.
Yeah, but it may take some time, as it says in the app. 100 square meter room takes around 10 minutes. So get ready for it. Make sure you have adequate light, as well as your clutter is cleared. So like some cable slippers closed and small rags aren't on the floor. You should open all the doors, and you can also in the app enable cliff detection, so it detects everything. But if your home is single story, there's no areas with significant height differences, it's better to disable cliff detection, because it can be just quicker. The robot will be quicker if you disable cliff detection, if you don't need to enable it. And yeah, I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.